They said that you were a prostitute and that you were her guy.
Female wife. That's my uncle.
Yeah. On July 14th, 2022, at approximately 7:48 a.m., officers with the Columbus Division of Police responded to a call about a woman working as a prostitute at a corner.
Yes, Tech 84. We got this black African American girl out here again, right here in front of the city, and right here in front of my business over here at Sullivan Avenue, prostituting again. Female black with a ponytail, just standing here looking stupid.
The officers arrived on scene and spoke to this woman, who was obviously not a prostitute. This is the type of call that ties up police resources, so they are unable to respond to more important calls. With all that being said, I hope you enjoy this video. I hope you learned something, and I'll talk to you soon.
I'll get her ID and add it to the run. So leave me here for a second. I'll head down to 919 West. When she walked northbound from here with another girl.
How you guys doing? Are you guys waiting on the bus? Okay. That's what it looks like to me.
She's had drugs for a while.
You guys live out here, right?
I'll come back.
Someone called. They said that you were a prostitute and that you were her guy.
Female wife. That's my uncle.
Yeah. Well, my wife is coming for a ride along today, and I drove by. I was like, that is not a prostitute.
She's probably inside the building by now.
And I just wanted to. The person that called didn't leave their name or information. They refused. But I'm like, come on. Like, we know what hookers look like.
Okay.
You're not a hooker.
We not know he's gay.
I just thought it was funny. I wasn't even going to get out of the car, but I was like, you know what? I'm going to go tell them because I wanted her to see your reaction.
Oh, that was funny.
You know what I mean? People call about stupid stuff out here, and I'm sorry. When's the bus coming?
Charles, and I'm good for now, and I'll head down to 919.
Yeah.
Wait till the family find out.
All right.
I
Well,
know, right?
I'm going to get...
Now you're my parent.
Yeah. Is she making you good money today?
I wish I was.
You know what's the thing?
I ought to be out here. I think I can make some good
You
money.
walk down the street and you're going to cause a traffic problem.
I probably will.
I was just, because of this right here, it didn't look like, she had anything on. It was looking like...
Well, because it is kind of skin tone.
Yeah.
You are kind of brown. You got kind of a brown shirt on.
Coco, baby.
It's all good. No, I was like, she is too clean. You can tell. You can tell just by driving by that somebody has had a shower.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? Yeah, just go. They always send 2 cars. So we're going to get out of you guys' hair. You have a good day.
You have a good day, too.
Yeah.